right, good day, scholars. Today we're going to continue on with WeVideo. So here I am at WeVideo.com, and I'm going to sign up with Google, or log in with Google actually. So let's go and just hit log in, and I'm going to go with Google to log in. Now what we did last week was we uploaded our clips. So you should have a video here already. I'm going to say this is mine. Let's just go with this one. This is just an example. So I'm going to go with edit here. I'm going to edit my video, and you're going to open it up. It's going to look something like this. You should already have your 6 clips in here already. If you don't, make sure you go to that first video and you finish that first. But you should already have your 6 clips in here, kind of cut apart how you want them. So let's just let's play it real quick, just kind of see what we got here. So there is some audio that goes along with each of these clips, apparently. Yes, there is. So what we're going to do is we're just going to mute all of the audio. We're not even going to use the audio for now. So we're just going to mute it. So we're just going to put it all the way down. Okay. So now when I play it, I shouldn't hear anything at all. Okay. So what we're going to do now is we're going to replace some of that audio with our own voices. So you should have 6 clips here already. I'm going to pretend like I have 6. I only have 2. Here's an example. But you should have 6 that go along with your production outline. So here I've opened up my production outline, as you can see, production outline choices. And I have the dialogue that I wrote a couple weeks ago here that we did for class, right? So what I'm going to do here for each of these, I'm going to read these off for each of my clips. So my first clip here, first dialogue, it says, "Today I'd like to talk to you about cats." So I'm going to go back to WeVideo here. And this is my first clip where I need to save it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the very, very beginning of that clip. I'm going to make sure I'm on my media here, right? So I'm on my media. I'm going to find narrate. Okay, and you're going to click narrate. You may need to allow your microphone. If something pops up like up here or something, just go ahead and click allow, and then this should pop up. So it says get close to the mic and click record. So I'm going to click record, and then after that, I'm going to wait for it to count down, and I'm going to read off my line, which was, if I check again real quick, "Today I'd like to talk to you about cats." So I'm going to record. Counting down. "Today I'd like to talk to you about cats." And I hit stop when I was done talking. So I can listen to it. Okay, let's say if I wasn't happy with that, I could go back to record again, but I'm happy with that. So I'm going to hit save, and I'm going to save it. And it's saving my recording. And it will pop up down here. Okay, so see how it's in the bottom here? I know I've got my stuff in the way here. Let's actually just close that. I have my recording here. So let's go ahead and play it. All right, that was perfect. So if you saw my timeline down here, I got my voiceover 1 here that goes along directly with my clip. Now it's just perfectly long enough, so I don't have to do anything to change. But if you do need to move this around, right, you can shorten it, you can make it longer, shorter, you can move it around. So let's say I wanted this to start off earlier in the clip, I just shortened it. You can see where my voice is talking here, right? I just shortened it down here. And I'm going to move it back closer to the beginning, and this way I'm going to be talking earlier. So let's just test that. So that one went ahead and played right at the beginning. Let's say I wanted it to go further back. Well, I can move this backwards, further back in the clip. I can even put it on my second clip. Let's say I wanted to put it on my second clip. Right? Now I can have it to where it plays on my second clip. So that's all I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put that with my first clip there. And let's look at my second clip. My second piece of dialogue here says, "I like cats because they're super cute and cuddly. They also can be kind of stupid, so they're fun to be around." So I'm going to, let me move that to my other screen so I can read off of it easier. So I'm on WeVideo here, and I'm going to read that off. Again, and I'm going to put that with my second clip. So I've got my first clip dialogue. I'm going to go with my second clip dialogue here. So I'm going to click at the beginning of the clip, and I'm going to hit narrate again. And it tells me where it's going to start off. And I'm gonna start reading mine off immediately because I'm not sure how long I need for this clip. So I'm gonna hit record, and I'm gonna let it count down. I'm gonna begin reading my line. I like cats because they're super cute and cuddly. They also can be kind of stupid, so they're fun to be around. Stop it, listen to it, make sure it sounds good. So again, if I didn't like that, I could hit record again right here, but I'm happy with it. So I'm gonna hit save. It's gonna save my recording. And again, I can scroll down to the timeline at the bottom here, and you can see that's what I said right there, right? So if we look at our clip here, right, it goes along perfectly with our clip. I kind of want it to be in the middle, maybe near the end of the clip. And I might actually, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm going to shorten this clip. I don't need that clip to be that long because my voice line is only so long. So I'm going to leave that there. Okay, and then I would just do my third clip with my third piece of dialogue. Okay, so let's just do it from the beginning and see what it sounds like. Okay, that clip works. Okay, awesome. So I have my two lines there along with my two clips that align with them. So I would go ahead and continue on with my dialogue for my third, fourth, fifth, and sixth clips. So that's basically it for the dialogue. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Otherwise, just try and get your 6 lines along with your 6 clips into WeVideo.